Hey guys, today I have a tutorial on the reverse Helix aerial catch. To do this trick, I highly recommend learning the reverse behind the 8-ball and the actual Helix aerial. There's many different ways you can get into this aerial, but I think the best way to start is by learning the reverse behind the 8-ball into it. But to do that, all you're going to do is start on the safe handle and do the reverse behind the 8-ball. But instead of going for the index finger for the reverse chaplain, you're going to stop abruptly right here. You can just start on the safe handle, but I feel like you get a lot of momentum when you do the reverse behind the 8-ball. To actually throw the aerial, start in this position and tilt your hand slightly, and all you're going to do is throw in a diagonal motion like this with your wrist tilting, kind of like you're scooping. When you throw the aerial, you're going to throw in a half rotation, so the knife is only spinning only halfway before your hand is actually catching it. You're going to catch on the bite handle instead of the same handle you started with. To catch the aerial, hold your palm out like so. When you turn your wrist to throw, keep in the same motion as you let go, and catch the bite handle like that. When you catch it, you're going to come down on the bite handle. Be careful to not cut your thumb, and do a wrist pass. It's going to be an awkward catch when you catch this, but simply come down and lift up the safe handle. Here are some useful tips that might be able to help you even more. When you throw the aerial, make sure you're only throwing a half, because if you throw full, you're not going to catch it correctly and it's going to look weird. Another useful tip is to keep your hand pretty wide open so you can catch the aerial easier. Here are some other ways to get into and out of this aerial.